Sorry, Asante Kotoko adwene ne say referees ni sisi no ese efe no kra mo hyehyɛ ho bi no mo ahyɛ da ma referees sisi omo see you say mo try mo be provoking the supporters ni bi kra akobodua for officiating ho ne ade efe no. How do you react to this?
Me yes say eduabo is the way to go. So ebudua ma ema you can say officiating improve anka Ghana ne Portugal boy emsanga nsu ahodo a wokro wan ye de ni nyina bebo referee na odi sa match Morocco ni awada ne American anka ye bo ndi ase sabe who free attacks. But what I would say is obi anywa or the team po ebe she the team say okodi match okwa osisi team A and ase osisi team B. There are occasions where you say performance no and senior economy. I visit league centers every weekend. Me corner me bar, me making me observations known to the referees manager. Baba Kumase on a number of occasions, sometimes unannounced. Every walk me bar, me ndami wedi, but I take notes. Me babaka, I try to inform the referees committee and the referees manager. Say obi ebe edebeshe team say obi akache referee say onko sisi team A and onko sisi team B. I think it's unfortunate. There is nothing like that. The only way you need to be improving a game, say we will win fairly because the name of the game is fair play. So the referee at the result the bottom at the Kopaka. It is not something we have to encourage. Intimately, we know there are challenges, just as there are challenges on the field in terms of play. There are also challenges in the area of refereeing, not only refereeing, but in other aspects of the industry. Some of these referees, if you go about Premier, the first season here, will be about Premier, the second season here, the more I will do matches, mistakes, the more and I will improve. It is the same for players. The more you play, the more you gather experience, the more you correct your mistakes, and then you make progress. Supporters, everyone say, "Obi the referee back every day in match." Now, or they say the team say, "OBCC club now." There is nothing like that. What about games that they have won? What about games that maybe in one way or the other result echo in their favor because of a referee's mistake and I said the error from a referee? Then I was saying we are learning, we are growing. Things will happen. Cry or when cry. I thought they it me see touch what I say. In a human institution, mistakes are bound to happen. Every BBM free team, a crochet match, any free team, FCB, FCB, a catcher is a it does not help our progress. Imagine, say, what they are showing players, referee, ABCC, team. Even when the players are going onto the pitch, they are not in the right frame of mind. Psychologically, they know they have lost the game. What I say, some of these things or some of these comments have to be avoided. Twice a court players in the team one. Sometimes even the players are not able to perform on the field of play.